guys, the next bird I'll talk to you about is a Barraband parrot, more commonly known as a superb parrot. This is more of a rarer species found in pet shops here in Ireland. And these guys here, you can tell their sex due to the coloration changes as they hit sexual maturity. So this one here, if we hadn't have done a DNA test, would have been the colours of a juvenile or a hen parrot. But we have done a DNA test, so we know it is a boy. When this one will hit sexual maturity, the neck area here, if you'll let me have a look, will change here to a yellow and a red coloration. These are a parrot that they will live 30 to 40 years, have a decent speech ability, and are very, very, very playful, and if been well hand raised, as you can see here, make fantastic pets. So we do a little close up as well. Hello.